Delhi's AQI is in very poor category. So what exactly is this AQI and how it is being measured? So AQI is basically the measurement of air quality of an area. So the concentration levels of different pollutants, the air pollutants, is being measured, and accordingly the indices are given to the respective range, and that is called AQI. So basically the pollution level or the concentration level of 8 pollutants is being measured. What are those 8 pollutants? One is PM 2.5. PM 2.5 and PM10 is the second air pollutant. So PM 2.5 has the diameter less than 2.5 micrometer. Similarly, PM10 are the suspended particulate matters in the air which have diameter less than 10 micrometer. And then other 6 air pollutants are carbon monoxide, ozone, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, ammonia and lead. So these are the 8 pollutants that are taken into consideration while doing the measurement of AQI. And once these concentration levels are measured, a range is decided, and based on the range the categories have been created. So there are 6 categories under AQI. The first category, the good category. Second category, the good category lies between 0 to 50 AQI, and then second category is a satisfactory category lying between 50 to 100 AQI. Third is moderate, 100 to 200, and fourth is poor, 200 to 300, very poor, 300 to 400, and last, of course it is not the least, the fifth category is 400 to 500, and it is called severe category. So basically there are 6 categories under AQI, and this all AQI measurement is being carried out by CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, which is a body which has been created in 1974, derives its functions and powers primarily from Water Pollution and Control Act 1974, then Air Pollution and Control Act 19